How to email created files using Outlook with PDF Image Printer 12. Whether you are using TIFF Image Printer, Raster Image Printer, or PDF Image Printer, with version 12 of Peernet's image printers, users can send Outlook emails with created images and PDFs as attachments. This video uses the Outlook mail server. To use an SMTP mail server, please see our video called Email Created Files Using SMTP. Begin by creating a custom profile that you want applied during conversion. The profile is a group of settings that will create the output image you want. Double-click on the image printer icon on your desktop to launch the image printer dashboard. If you have removed the image printer icon from your desktop, you will find it by selecting Start and scrolling down to your image printer. Select Edit and Create Profiles. Either create a copy of one of our default profiles or select Add Profile. I will create a copy of the default profile, Color Optimized TIFF. Because I still want to create color multi-page TIFF images, I just want to send the created files as email attachments. Rename the profile to something you will recognize. In this example, I will call it Color Optimized TIFF with Email Enabled, and add with email enabled to the description. Go to the Email tab. For this video, we will use the email service Outlook. This requires the Outlook application to be installed and an email account already created and able to send emails. Under the On Success tab, enable Send Email when conversion succeeds. When using Outlook, you have the option to use an Outlook template. If you wish to use a template, enable Use this Outlook template and use the browse icon to select the template. The contents of the Outlook template will be used as the message details: to, CC, BCC, subject, and message. Any recipients to CC, BCC entered here are added to the template. Any subject or message content here will replace what is in the Outlook template. Emails sent using Outlook can be sent silently or can prompt for the default Outlook application message window to allow additional changes to the email message before sending. If you are not using an Outlook template, enter your desired message detail parts. To, subject, and message are required. CC and BCC are optional. By default, the email settings are configured to send created documents as email attachments. There are additional setting options to limit the size of the email, split oversized emails, and limit the number of emails sent at once. There is also the option to zip the created files into a zip, a 7-zip, or tar compression file, and attach that file to the email. The options available for the zip file are the same as available on the Zip tab: zip folder structure, secure with password, and add custom extension. You are not required to zip the file before attaching to the email. Under the Failure tab, you can configure the image printer to send an email when conversion fails. The created files are not deleted when sent as an email attachment. To automatically clean up the files, go to the Cleanup Options tab. Enable Delete Generated Output Files on Success. This deletes the created output files that were sent as email attachments, leaving the created file only in the email you sent. When you are done making changes, click Save and Back and close the Profile Manager. Select Manage Printers. Beside your image printer, drop the box for the printing profile and select Color Optimized TIFF with Email Enabled as the default profile. Printer management also allows you to rename the printer, and create multiple copies of the printer. Close Printer Management and the dashboard. Now when you print to your image printer, each created file will be emailed to you as an attachment. For more information on environment variables and registry keys that can be used on this tab, please see the user guide under Profile Manager, Email. Try our PDF image printer for yourself and see how easy and effective it really is. Follow the link below to download a free trial.